Power outages never give you a warning, and when the power goes out, you immediately realize how dependent everything is on electricity. That is why having emergency backup power matters. Portable power stations promise quiet, instant power without gas or fumes, but promises and reality are not always the same. In this video, I'm testing the EcoFlow DELTA 3 Max Plus to see how it actually performs. Throughout this video, I'll be providing everything from basic overview to detailed testing results, everything you need in one video. By the end, you'll be able to determine if this power station is right for you or if you should keep looking. The power station itself, the AC charging cable, and the user manual with the warranty card. This unit has a battery capacity of 2,048 watt hours and includes multiple outputs like AC, DC, and USB ports. This is a pure sine wave inverter that delivers continuous output of 3,000 watts with a peak surge of 6,000 watts. With X Boost, it can support devices up to 3,800 watts, making it versatile for small and medium devices. The display is bright and easy to read indoors and remains very visible outdoors, even in bright sunlight. It shows battery percentage, input, and output, giving you a quick overview of the power usage. The power station weighs in at 48.8 pounds. The unit measures in at roughly 12 inches by 9.5 inches by 19.5 inches, which makes it compact enough for easy transporting. EcoFlow offers a 5-year warranty, typically structured as a 3-year standard warranty with an additional 2-year extension available upon registering through the EcoFlow app, which covers and ensures protection against defects in materials and workmanship for the power station's high capacity components, knowing that the warranty will give you extra peace of mind if any issues arise. And I want to tell you guys about the solarpit.com, where you can sign up for free giveaways on products that I review here on this channel. You can also get instant recommendations on the right power stations for your needs by answering a short questionnaire. Browse full archives of past reviews and comparisons, and when you're ready to buy, you can find the best possible deals by using my discount code. Now let's dive into the inverter, the heart of the portable power station. This is what converts the stored battery power into usable electricity for your devices. In this section, I'll break down everything you need to know, from continuous output and load capacity to noise efficiency and special features like UPS functionality. Let's start with the continuous discharge. Basically, how much power can an inverter provide steadily over time without dropping input? It is rated for 3,000 watts of continuous output, and the system had no issues with discharging from 100% to 0% at close to 3,000 watts for the entire test. Not all portable power stations actually pass this test, so this is great. Next, let's look into the essential load backup for home emergency power. Something unique about this system is that you can set the priority loads on the left and right side plugs, meaning that if you overload the system or you just want to set priority to crucial appliances like a refrigerator or a freezer during a blackout, the DELTA 3 Max Plus can intelligently know and maintain the refrigerator over, let's say a coffee pot in an emergency situation, optimizing how the battery is discharged to those loads. I think that this is absolutely critical, and very nice job to EcoFlow for implementing a feature like this on this power station. Noise levels are very important, especially if you're using this unit indoors or while in close proximity. Let's take a look at how loud it was under a moderate load of around 1,200 watts of input. As you can see here, the true sound levels measured in at around 33-34 decibels. 34 dB is very quiet. That's comparable to rustling leaves or a very soft whisper. It falls well below the 70 decibel threshold for safe, comfortable noise levels. Next up is the pure sine wave inverter, which ensures that your sensitive electronics run smoothly. I verify every power station that I test for clean sine waves, and this one performed great while in standby and under a load. Standby consumption is how much power the unit draws even when it's not actively powering your device. My method to test is simple. Power the system up and turn on the AC outlets and let this set for exactly 24 hours and see how much the battery uses when there's nothing connected. I do set the screen to always on just to be consistent in all of my tests. The DELTA 3 Max Plus consumed roughly 31% over a 24-hour period. breaking down to around 635 watts total, or an estimated 25 watts per hour in my test. Heat and thermal management is crucial for safety and performance, especially under a heavy load. The best way that I found to test this is to max discharge from 100% to 0% and monitor the internal temperature the best that I can with a probe, and use a thermal camera to monitor the surface temperature for those components. Finally, let's talk about UPS functionality. Basically, the ability to switch to battery power during an outage. This is a very important feature if you're using this as a system to maintain power to an appliance in a scenario of a power outage. The good news is that the Delta 3 Max Plus can switch from one power source to another in less than 10 milliseconds. Even using a very sensitive light that I typically can see some type of flicker shows nothing happening when I unplug it and it doesn't switch, even with a load being drawn on it. Very impressive, and I have no reason to doubt the claim of 10 milliseconds in the switchover times on this unit. We're moving into the battery capacity, which is the core of any portable power station. This section tells you how much energy is available and how it could be used across AC and DC devices, and how long the battery is expected to last. First, let's look at the AC discharge capacity, which shows you how much power the battery can supply to a standard AC device. During testing, I got 1,878 watt hours out of the rated 2,048 watt hours of capacity, giving us 91.6% of the usable capacity, which is exceptional when compared to industry averages or other power stations that I've tested over the last couple of years. Next, let's talk about the DC discharge capacity, which is the power available through USB, the car output, and other DC outputs. I was able to squeeze out 1,572.9 watt hours of the usable DC power, giving us roughly 76.8% of the rated capacity. I've got to admit, this was disappointing because this is below the average when it comes to power stations that I've tested over the last several years. The Delta 3 Max Plus is designed so that you can expand the capacity to up to 10 kilowatt hours of capacity by adding on additional expansion batteries. Not all power stations in this class has this feature available, which could be useful if you are seeking large amounts of capacity. Finally, let's talk about the life cycles, which tells you how many full charge and discharge cycles the battery can handle. The Delta 3 Max Plus uses advanced LiPo4 or LFP battery chemistry, featuring high life cycle rating of 4,000 cycles or more to 80% capacity. Next up is the charging section. This is where we're going to look at how the power station refuels its battery and the different types of methods that you can use. First, let's look at the AC charging, which is the standard wall outlet method. Although the claim is 1,800 watts of max input, the max I was able to charge the system was around 1,675 watts between the 5% and 55% state of charge range. Let's look at solar charging, which is perfect for off-grid and outdoor use. The EcoFlow Delta 3 Max Plus supports 1,000 watts of solar input, powered by dual 500 watt MPPT controllers. It can recharge from 0 to 80% in about 95 minutes under ideal solar conditions. Finally, let's talk about charging this up on the road in your car or maybe your RV. If paired with an EcoFlow alternator charger, you could charge the system up at 800 watts while driving down the road. Now we're going to move into safety, which is one of the most important aspects of any portable power station. A battery management system, or a BMS, acts as the brain of the battery pack, keeping both the battery and your devices protected. It monitors voltage, current, and temperature while balancing the cells to maximize performance and lifespan. Modern BMS units often include extra safety layers and environmental protections, ensuring reliable operations over time. And something that a lot of people don't talk about are the materials that are used in a portable power station. This is critical because they directly affect the safety, durability, lifespan, and overall performance. These units often see heavy use outdoors, on construction sites, or during emergencies, so they need to withstand shocks, drops, and harsh conditions. Premium construction also extends to the inverter and the components, ensuring efficient power conversion and protecting connected devices. Handles, metal reinforcements, and solid build quality prevent cracks and breaks during transport. In short, a power station built with LiPo4 cells and a sturdy, fire-resistant casing provides safe, dependable, long-term power no matter where you use it. Let's compare safety of using a gas generator versus a portable power station, because a gas generator has different risk. When it comes to power backup, you might be weighing your options between a portable power station and a traditional gas generator. Here's why a battery-powered unit is often the better choice. First, it's clean and safe, so there's no fumes, no carbon dioxide, no fuel. That means you can use it indoors, in your RV, or even in a tent without worry. It's also quiet, so you don't have to deal with roaring engines while you're powering up devices. And because it's lightweight and portable, moving it around is simple. You don't have to haul fuel cans or lift heavy gas generator. Plus, there's zero maintenance. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no fuel. Just plug it in and go. For most people, that makes a portable power station safe, easy, and more convenient for both the home and outdoor use. Modern portable power stations often come with companion apps that act as a complete management tool for your energy. While this isn't a full-on app review, it is a general look at what to expect with the EcoFlow app. A good app gives you real-time monitoring, showing battery percentage, your input and output wattages, your activation of ports and deactivation of ports, and a ton of different other things. Inside the EcoFlow app, you can control the unit remotely. You can turn on and off the outlets, adjust the charging speed, set the maximum charge or discharge limits, and control the built-in LED lights. The app provides firmware updates, error notifications, and lets you switch between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. Advanced features also include usage history, scheduled charging, and reserving a portion of the battery for emergency backup. Overall, these apps make it simple to monitor, control, and optimize your power station, whether you're at home or across the pond. One thing that I always check when reviewing a product is the customer service experience. Even the best devices can run into issues, and knowing whether the company is going to support its customers makes a huge difference. When I had a question about this product, I reached out to the company to see how they would handle with their support. My overall experience was exceptional. I look at things like response time, clarity, and whether the issue actually gets resolved in one phone call. Some companies respond fast, and then others don't really respond at all.
EcoFlow. My name is Aaron. Can I have your first and last name?
Justin, I've just got a quick question about solar input on a system. I've got the EcoFlow Delta 3 Max Plus, and I have a solar array that has 70 volts of output. Would I be able to connect it to my system? For me, this is a key part of a review. The product isn't just about specs. It's also about whether a company stands behind the product that they sell you. And overall, my experience with EcoFlow has been exceptional. They answered the call quickly, they provided answers, and they were very polite and easy to understand. So overall, hats off to EcoFlow customer support. Portable power stations are a great solution, but a 120 volt system does come with some built-in limits. Knowing these limits ahead of time helps you avoid unrealistic expectations and make better decisions. Limitations are not always negatives. However, underperforming the advertised claims most certainly are. The good news here is that the Delta 3 Max Plus meets and exceeds my expectations in almost every category that I tested it in. That said, this is not about calling it perfect. Every product has some trade-offs, and what matters most is whether those trade-offs align with how you actually plan on using it. For some people, this will check all the boxes. For others, a different configuration or capacity might make more sense. And I'll continue to test this in real-world scenarios, and if anything changes over time, good or bad, I'll make sure to update you in the comments below or on a community post. If you're interested in learning more about DIY solar, whether that's inverters, battery technology, or how different power stations compare in real use, check out the recommended videos on your screen now. And depending on the screen that you're watching this on, you might be right up here, or you could always find those links in the video notes below if you want to keep going.